Welcome to Capri, Italy. In this video, we'll explore the beautiful island and discover some travel tips to make the most of your visit. Our first stop is the famous Blue Grotto. Hop on a boat and venture into this magical sea cave with its mesmerizing blue waters and unique rock formations. Next, let's explore the charming town of Capri. Wander through its narrow streets lined with colorful houses, visit local shops, and enjoy the breathtaking views from the highest point of the island. Now, it's time to visit the iconic Faraglioni rock formations. Marvel at these towering limestone stacks rising from the sea and snap some unforgettable photos. For a taste of luxury, head to the glamorous Piazzetta. Enjoy a coffee at one of the stylish cafes, do some shopping in the high-end boutiques, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this famous square. Don't miss the chance to take a boat tour around the island. Cruise along the coastline, admire hidden coves, and witness the natural beauty of Capri from the water. Indulge in the local cuisine by trying some authentic Caprese dishes. From fresh seafood to delicious pasta, the island offers a culinary experience you won't forget. Before we say goodbye to Capri, take a moment to relax on one of the island's stunning beaches. Feel the warm sand between your toes and soak up the Mediterranean sun.